going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews, and in this review we have a LED smart fan light. That's what they call it, but just because they say it's smart don't mean that it's like, hey Alexa, you know, all that stuff. It just says smart light. I think that's due to it having a remote control. So anyways, let's go ahead and get into this. This is basically a ceiling fan. All right. So here you go. This is a ceiling fan and a light right here. And that's it. Now, if you're not into like doing like hard wiring and like a real ceiling fan, if you have like a little one of those electric boxes that does the regular light bulb and you can do like the recessed light. I did a video on that where I got Costco lights or recessed lights and they had the regular light attachment on it. You can go ahead and attach this like it's a regular light bulb. So that's cool, and we will see how it turns out. I will put this in maybe like a little storage area or something. I don't know if I'm going to put it in my garage or not, but I will go ahead and test out the light. I will test out the fan and everything. The link will be in the description. They said this covers up to 30 watts. Okay, so we have 3 speeds on the fan, and it looks like a time on here, and you have, now it says it saves energy. You guys, I'm not sure about lights and energy. I just turn your lights off when it's time to turn the lights off. All right, you guys, so that's it. We have these 3 things and we are going to check it out. So let's go ahead and get into it. All right, you guys, I am going to put this in my storage right now, and hopefully y'all can see. Now, right now, I can install this 2 different ways. I can install this with just the fan, or I can put extension on. Right now, I'm just going to, what should I do? I'm just going to put it on regular. How about that? I'm going to install it up high. Ooh, that light is bright. You guys, this light is very bright. Very, 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 very bright. Wow. All right, so I didn't put the extension on, okay? And wow, that is, you guys, that is very bright. Like, it's outshining. Like, this is probably one of the brightest lights I have in the house. Wow. All right, let me see. Oh, I hit the fan. Okay, you got to be directly. Okay, so with the fan, you have to be like directly under the fan to feel it. Like if I'm right here, I can't feel the fan, but if I'm here, I can feel the fan. All right, and I hit the fan again, it turns off. I'm gonna hit the light. Okay, you hit the light once, it turns off. You hit the light again, it turns on. Wow, this is bright. Okay, now, as far as dimming, you can dim it. All right, you can make it bright. So let me show y'all real quick. All right, so if I hit the fan, oh, what did that do? This is supposed to change. Look like this is supposed to change, like if the fan goes one way or the opposite way. So let me see if that works. Okay, I'm gonna turn the fan off. Now I'm gonna hit that button in the middle to see if it goes the opposite way. No. All right, I'm turning the brightness all the way back. All right, so this button in the middle didn't do anything. So it's supposed to turn the fan the opposite direction. Now the CCT, all right, that's to change the temperature of light. So if you like the daylight, there you go. And if you like soft white, there you go. And I'm doing that by hitting those 2 right there, top, bottom. One here, one there. All right. So change your temperature is right here. Change your brightness is right here. Simple and easy. This right here is just fan speed. So fan speed 1, 2, and then 3. Yep. Okay. And then, as you know, you have your time, 1 hour, 2 hours, and 4 hours. Now, when you hit the time, I'm not sure how you know what time is set. So let's hit 1 and see what happens. All right. I'm going to see if I see anything here that indicates it's on 1. No. And no. So when you put your time on here, there's nothing to indicate whether it's 1 hour, 2 hours, or 3 hours. We went over everything. We went over all the buttons here. The only one that don't work is the button in the middle. as far as like rotating the direction of the fan. You know, with ceiling fans, in the wintertime, you're supposed to go in reverse. In the summertime, you're supposed to go the regular way or something like that. So in the wintertime, it's supposed to bring heat up or something. I can't remember because I haven't changed it in so long. I'm gonna be honest, I don't even do that because as far as ceiling fans go, I don't feel like no heat on it. So what was it? In the wintertime, heat rises, right? No, summertime, heat rises in the summertime, right? So you have to put your fan like blowing the air up, okay? Not blowing the air down or something like that. I'll post up what you're supposed to do. The only reason why I don't remember is because I haven't flipped the ceiling fans in so long. I just keep it in one direction. My family like fan to just hit down, period. So we just leave it in one direction. All right, you guys, and one last thing before I close out this review, we are going to do a little distance. All right, so let's go back. Let's see what it does in 30 feet. So we are going to go 30 feet. All right, you guys, so we are 30 foot away and the fan cuts off. Let's do the light. In case y'all don't believe me about the fan, the light cuts off 30 feet away. Nice. Fan, and the fan is on. Now, I'm gonna let you know this now. I can hear the fan. So if you're looking for something like quiet and stuff like that, this fan is not the quietest of quiets, okay? So with that being said, yes, I can hear the fan. So if you have this in like a kitchen area, wherever you can hook up your ceiling fan, you will hear the fan go. So, and I think that's about it. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.